Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer video from USB SSD to MacBook for Premiere, full guide step by step clearly. Begin with connecting your USB SSD to the MacBook. Ensure the connection is secure and the SSD is properly recognized. Open Finder on your MacBook. Locate the USB SSD in the left sidebar under Locations. Click on the USB SSD to access its contents. Navigate to the folder where your video files are stored. Select the video files you want to transfer. Right-click on the selected files and choose Copy. Now, go to the destination folder on your MacBook where you right-click in the destination folder and select Paste. Wait for the transfer process to complete. Once the transfer finishes, verify that all files have been copied. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your MacBook. Create a new project or open an existing one. Go to the Media Browser panel in Premiere Pro. Navigate to the folder on your MacBook where the videos were transferred. Select the video files you want to import. Drag the selected files into your project's timeline or media bin. Check the settings to ensure the video resolution and frame rate are correct. Start editing your video as needed. Save your project frequently to avoid losing any progress. Once you finish editing, export your video as required. Now, your video is ready to be shared or uploaded. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.